Habari Gani. On this third night of Kwanzaa, we're going to celebrate by going down to the Caribbean for a minute. And in the Caribbean, if it's Christmas time, in the English-speaking Caribbean, it's all about sorrel. Sorrel is a drink that is actually out of Africa. I believe the plant originates on the African continent. It's a hibiscus relative, and it is used as a beverage in Senegal, where it is called bisabou, in Egypt, where it is called kakade, and there are many different ways to make it. You've got a recipe, so I'm not going to tell you very much more about it. I'm just going to raise a glass. Mine doesn't have rum, but often it is mixed with rum, and say, Happy Kwanzaa.